Good day. We are from Colegio de San Juan de Letran, Calamba. I'm John Lawrence Reyes and my project partner is Kyle Joseph Lapita. We are third year IT. This is our project for mobile programming one. We named our project Translingo. Translingo serves as a valuable tool for travelers, students, and anyone navigating multilingual interaction. Our objectives is to bridge communication gaps by enabling seamless real-time text translation across multiple languages.
The app was built using Android Studio. We implemented Google's ML Kit Translation API. So this is the API that we use to in our in our project, and this is where we put the API in build grade KTS module app to ensure accurate and real-time translation between multiple languages. For the interface, we focus on simplicity and user friendliness by designing the layout in XML. The app features a scrollable input and output section for text language, selection buttons, and translate button, ensuring an intuitive user experience. So we now proceed to the demo of our project. So this is for Tagalog, and the next one is Spanish. And this is for Spanish. That's good. That's all, and thank you.